everyone, welcome back to my channel, Motorbike Dynamic. Today, I have a surprise for you. Now we bring you the hottest reviews of the latest motorbikes. We're taking a closer look at new model 2025 Yamaha XT-650 motorbike. This bike is a blend of classic design and modern performance, designed to capture the hearts of both traditionalists and modern riders alike. Yamaha XT-650 is the newest member of Yamaha's XT lineup, famous for its off-road prowess and dependable performance. This model features a 650cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that strikes the perfect balance between power and efficiency. The engine delivers around 47 horsepower and 45 Nm of torque, providing enough grunt to tackle steep hills and accelerate swiftly on the freeway. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox, this bike ensures you have the right gear for every situation, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned riders. The bike boasts a sleek, aggressive design with sharp lines and a compact profile that's perfect for maneuvering through tight trails or city traffic. The LED headlamp setup is not only energy efficient, but also provides excellent visibility during night rides or foggy conditions. The bike comes with high-mounted fenders and a skid plate to protect the engine from debris, making it adventure-ready. Straight from the showroom, the bike comes equipped with a fully digital LCD dashboard that provides all the essential information at a glance: speed, fuel level, gear position, and even a trip meter. Yamaha has also included a USB charging port, so you can keep your devices powered on those long adventures. The seat is made from high-quality materials, designed to withstand the elements while providing comfort for long rides. Comfort is key, but the XT-650 doesn't disappoint. The bike features a well-padded seat that's just the right height, 890 mm, to offer a comfortable ride for both short and tall riders. The suspension setup, with a telescopic front fork and a monoshock at the rear, is tuned to soak up bumps and rough terrain, ensuring a smooth ride no matter where you go. The bike's lightweight construction, at just 155 kilograms, makes it easy to handle